We are excited to share with you our beautiful 1936 mid-kitchen Bowlus Road Chief. We spent a year here at Flight Camp on the meticulous restoration of this rare gem and important piece of American travel history. Designed from an aircraft fuselage by the visionary Howley Bowlus, the Bowlus Road Chief became the world's first aluminum travel trailer. Airstream went on to use the design, making the aircraft constructed lightweight and aerodynamic aluminum travel trailer iconic down to modern times. The Bowlus Road Chief is 18.5 feet long, with an interior height of 6 foot 1 inch, and came out of the factory weighing just 1,100 pounds, so it is easily towed and can even be maneuvered by hand. The copper screens and polished exterior aluminum absolutely shine, even as we made every effort to keep as many of the original exterior panels as possible, with every small imperfection preserving and telling the story of the life of the trailer. Now let's take a look at the inside. Upon entering, you'll be struck by the stunning walnut interior, including the hardwood floors. This trailer is one of only 7 mid-kitchen Bowluses ever made. The mid-kitchen separates the front lounge from the rear lounge, giving the trailer an intimate and cozy feel. There are 2 dinettes in the trailer with stunning solid hardwood tables. The base cabinets and kitchen cabinets are polished aluminum. A period 3-burner cooktop is mounted on the passenger side of the kitchen. There is a custom aluminum cover, an original Bowlus design, securing and hiding the cooktop while not in use. Below the cooktop is plenty of storage. We have made and included a vinyl cover for covering the cooktop while traveling. And if you look closely, you will see the original cutlery drawer. On either side of the kitchen, there are outward opening windows, providing additional light and good cross ventilation. Also, there are a few different notches in the handmade window hardware, which allows you to open the window even further. The driver's side of the kitchen has riveted and polished aluminum countertops and the original sink, with both a vintage city water faucet as well as the original brass hand pump that has been beautifully restored. Below the sink cabinet is the original ice box that has been meticulously restored piece by piece. Next to the ice box and below the sink, you will notice that there is a good amount of storage above the wheel well on the side of the kitchen as well. Both sides of the kitchen feature open walnut shelving and the original 12-volt light fixtures with fabric wiring and Bakelite outlets. Vintage travel trailer is not complete without a magazine rack, and this Bowlus has 2, one on each side of the rear dinette, making it the coziest reading nook ever. Behind the table is a roomy closet, perfect for bedding, and a cabinet storage compartment above. The handmade, copper-screened 12-volt light fixtures are mounted throughout the trailer and add to the ambiance. Just one of many details making this trailer the epitome of refined luxury, with warm walnut and polished aluminum detailing throughout. The gorgeous hardwood floor was custom milled and installed with a stainless steel detail between each plank and finished with brass screws. This attention to detail pulls together the aluminum cabinetry and the brass accents throughout the trailer. Luxurious wool plaid upholstery and high-density foam help to create the timeless look of the interior and contributes to a comfortable, cozy, and campy feel. In fact, all of the materials used in the restoration, the real walnut, the aluminum, and the quality wool upholstery and window coverings, were designed to create an elevated camping experience, complementing the beauty of the great outdoors. Across from the forward dinette is a comfortable small sofa that makes this lounge a great conversational area and also allows for sleeping of a third person. And honestly, who wouldn't want to be a guest in this trailer? Just to the right of the front door is a generously proportioned closet that could be used as a hanging closet, or shelves could be added for general storage. The open nook above the closet is the perfect place to display your vintage collectibles. Notice the beautiful hardwood and aluminum detailing. On the rear-facing side of this closet is a bank of beautiful, solid hardwood walnut drawers. To the left of the front door is an original water closet. A self-contained toilet could be placed here, or this finished and lit closet could be used for additional storage. The upper roof vents are easily opened with the locking slide you see here. From this vantage point, you can see that the very front entry vent opens independently of the main galley vents. The draperies are made of a rich wool fabric and fully lined. The windows slide open with custom fabricated aluminum pulls. Enjoy one more look around this trailer while I share a few final details of this build. As original, the trailer is self-contained with a small freshwater tank and hand pump, and the light fixtures all run on a 12-volt battery and charger. The trailer is wired so that the exterior lights work with the 12-volt battery and charger by the flip of a switch while camping and not hooked to a vehicle. The cooktop runs on propane with a quick connect. There's a double-sided awning that is included with this trailer. The awning drapes over the rare original roof rack and is secured to either side of the trailer with original mounting hardware. This 1936 Bowlus Road Chief, while simple, is extremely elegant and would make a stunning addition to any classic car collection. If you are interested in making this historically significant and luxurious work of art a part of your collection, please visit our website, flightcamp.com, or email us directly at contact@flightcamp.com. That's FLYTECAMP.com. As always, be sure to like and subscribe.